Thinking about diving into the world of crypto trading? Hold on, seriously, just pause for a second. Before you click that buy button, there are crucial things I wish I knew before stepping into this wild, wild west of finance. Insights that could save you a lot of headaches, stress, and potentially a lot of money. The allure of massive gains is strong, but crypto trading can be brutal if you go in unprepared. Understanding these points is fundamental. It's the difference between informed decisions and blindly gambling your cash away. We've all seen the headlines of overnight millionaires, but many lose significant amounts by jumping in unprepared. The goal here isn't to scare you, but to equip you, to give you the foundational knowledge to navigate the crypto markets wisely. In this video, I'll break down the top 10 things that would have been game changers for me from day one. Practical, actionable insights to help you avoid pitfalls, manage expectations, and make your crypto journey smoother and more profitable. We'll cover everything from market research to psychological traps. Stick around, because this is the advice I wish someone had drilled into my head before I started. Alright, first things first, and this is a big one. Research and market understanding. I cannot stress this enough. When I first got curious about crypto, it was easy to get caught up in the hype of a few big names, Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum. But just knowing the name of a coin and seeing its price go up is not research. Not even close. I wish I'd understood from the get-go that you need to dig so much deeper. We're talking about understanding the actual technology behind a project. Next up, let's talk about something everyone about with crypto, market volatility. The crypto market isn't just volatile, it can be insane. Assets can swing 50% or more in a single day, sometimes in hours or minutes. I saw green candles and thought, easy money, but red candles go down just as fast. This brings me directly to my next point, which is the absolute necessity of having a clear trading strategy and, just as importantly, sticking to it. When I first started, I'll admit, my strategy was often driven by what was buzzing on social media or what looked like it was about to pump. That, my friends, is not a strategy. That's a recipe for getting wrecked, as they say in the crypto world. I wish I had understood from day one that without a plan, you are essentially just gambling. Chapter 4. Don't lose your shirt. Mastering risk management. Risk management is crucial in crypto trading. Volatility is king, and projects can go from hero to zero overnight. Only invest what you can truly afford to lose. Money that, if lost, wouldn't impact your ability to pay rent or buy groceries. Chapter 5. The Crypto News Cycle. Blink and you'll miss it. The crypto world moves at lightning speed. Groundbreaking news one week can be old hat the next. Stay updated with the latest news, trends, and developments. A single tweet, regulatory announcement, or security breach can send prices soaring or tumbling. Establish a system for filtering and consuming crypto news. Chapter 6. Mind over market, taming your trading emotions. Managing your emotions is crucial for every trader, new or experienced. Emotions are the biggest destroyer of trading profits. Fear, greed, FOMO, and overconfidence can lead to irrational decisions. A concrete plan helps manage these psychological pitfalls. Let's talk about something essential to keeping any crypto you acquire: security measures. In the world of crypto, you are your own bank, and with that freedom comes responsibility. The crypto space is rife with scams, hacks, and phishing attempts. Stories of people losing their crypto due to security lapses are heartbreaking. Let's talk about passwords and authentication. Use strong, unique passwords for every exchange and wallet. Don't reuse passwords. A password manager can be a lifesaver. Then there's two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Chapter 8. When people first hear about crypto, they usually think of Bitcoin and Ethereum. But the world of cryptocurrencies is vastly more diverse. Thousands of coins and tokens exist, each with unique use cases and communities. Understanding these categories helps assess opportunities and risks. Chapter 9. Diversification is crucial in crypto, just like in traditional finance. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. I wish I had diversified my crypto portfolio from the start. The crypto market is unpredictable. Even promising projects can fail. Chapter 10. Continuous learning is essential. The crypto space evolves rapidly, with new technologies and projects constantly emerging. What you learn today might be outdated in 6 months. Commit to ongoing education. So, there you have it, the top 10 things I wish I knew before starting my crypto journey. We've covered deep research, market volatility, having a clear strategy, and robust risk management. Stay updated, manage emotions, secure your assets, diversify, and commit to lifelong learning. Each point is a lesson learned that can impact your crypto experience. My goal is to help you avoid common pitfalls. If you found this valuable, please smash that like button. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What do you wish you knew before starting crypto? Or what are your biggest questions or concerns? Let's get a conversation going. This is a community, and we can all learn from each other. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.